Hey planners, it's Madeline from the wonderlandstamper.com. Today is a special plan with me because we will be doing the monthly and the weekly. I am going to show you an awesome tool called Canva, and I'm going to demonstrate exactly how you can use it in order to decorate your planner's monthly and weekly pages. Okay, here we are on Canva.com's homepage. This is an awesome program, yep, that you can create basically anything you can think of. Social media posts, um, advertisements that you're going to put up, logos, posters, Twitter posts, Facebook ads, everything on here. Um, from anything that's very simple all the way to something that may be much more detailed. So what we're going to do today is we're going to be doing just a US letter, and I'm going to teach you how you can make stickers that you're going to use in your monthly or weekly planner pages. Quick and easy and very simple. Now before we get started, let me just tell you, I am using Canva for work. I do work for a nonprofit, so I get Canva for work for free. Canva for Work does have a monthly charge if you don't work for a not-for-profit. It is totally worth it. So if I wasn't working for a not-for-profit, I would totally buy it, just because there are great features that I'll show you here as we open up the US letter size. Things like magic resize, where you make an ad in one size and you can make it change into whatever size you want. You have access to tons of different layouts that are free and ready to use that you wouldn't get if you didn't have Canva for Work. The most important thing though, especially for us planners, are the elements. So there are tons and tons of free images and free illustrations that we wouldn't be able to use unless we had Canva for Work. You'd have to pay for them. All right, so let's get started. I am going to have a giraffe themed planner. Okay, so as we open it up, we can see there's tons of cute little giraffes, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick, and this is just going to be on our sticker sheet. So I'm not going to be doing anything fancy. You do kind of want to look through your planner page and decide, what size you want things and stuff like that. I'm just doing this very quickly, and I'm going to show you how you can take this from Canva, print it out, and then you can use your Brother Scan and Cut too, like I did in my previous video, to cut them out and be ready to go. So basically right now I'm just getting all of these adorable giraffes that I can't handle the cuteness. They are so stinking cute. And I'm just doing this very quickly. So you could take as much time as you want. And you can see some of them still you have to pay for, but there are tons that you don't need to pay for, and they are just so cute. I'm not sure I'm going to use that one. I really want color ones, but you can tell there are so many options. So I'm going to make some of them really small, just so that I can use them both on the monthly and the weekly when we go in. And you can tell how, and this again, unless you're paying for the monthly subscription, which I'm telling you, it's totally worth it. You're not um, spending a lot of money or a lot of time on this. And there are some really good ones here. So again, I'm just searching through here. Look at that one. How funny. He's got a mustache. Huh, so cute. I am a giraffe fanatic as well as Alice in Wonderland. So Alice in Wonderland was last week. So this monthly one, I'm going to do all these freakish giraffes. My planner is going to look so funny, but I love them. Okay, that might be good on the giraffes. I'm going to adjust these because I think that possibly smaller is better. Okay, and then I'm going to, it's also my birthday month, yay. So I'm going to search birthday and see what comes up. Oh, I like this little birthday cake, so that will be perfect. Love that. And again, they may look very small over here, but you want to remember that once you print them, it's going to look a lot different. Let's do another cake. I'm all about cake. See how some of these you can change the color. So up here you could change the color of the birthday cake if you wanted to, which I like that feature. Not all the images have that, only some of them. Ooh, that is perfect. Look at that. Let's do a new page. Oh, that bow would be perfect to add on to a page or whatever. Love that. Okay, let's see if there's anything else. I think that's good. Okay, and then I'm going to, you can see how quickly I'm able just to search things. So because I do a crafting business, let's see if there's any fun little crafting things that I can print out for those weekly, for the weekly. Gotta do it in pink. Oh my gosh, they have a little glue gun. Oh, that is so cute. Okay, let's see what else they've got here. We could even do a few of those scissors if we wanted to. They have washi tape, it looks like. I like the illustrations the best, but if you're someone that really likes photography, they have lots of different photos as well that are free that you can use. That's so cute. It's $1 though. Let's do a couple of these scissors, and we can do them in different colors if we wanted to. And I'll do another glue gun. Okay. And let's look up jewelry. So it's nice because if you have different segments of your planner like I do, you can pull out these different themes and get it all ready to go. And again, you can play with these with your Happy Planner stickers as well. And then I have a lot of school stuff going on right now. So let's see if this would be perfect. I need the motivation to get through what I've got left. So you can see how awesome this is. Just easy way to find different kinds of stickers that maybe you won't find in the Happy Planner sticker pages or whatever. You just want different kinds of ones. This is really a perfect spot to go, and you'll see how we can use it with the Brother Scan and Cut. All right, I think this is a good start, and even if I don't use all of these, which I might not, I can always save them for another time, right? All right, so now I'm going to title this Planner Stickers just so that it saves every project that you do. Everything's automatically saved. I'm going to download it as a PDF. And once it downloads, I'm going to print it to my printer, and the printer has the Avery Shipping Label pages that make it easy for us to create stickers. So we are going to go over to the Brother Scan and Cut 2 now to show how we can turn these pages into stickers. So hang tight. Here we are at the Brother Scan and Cut 2. I've printed out the stickers onto the Avery shipping labels that are 8.5 by 11. I'll have the Amazon affiliate link down below for that, and also for the Brother Scan and Cut 2 so you can go and check it out. This is, again, an awesome tool. I used it last week. I'll probably use it every week for my planner because it's so easy to print out your own stickers, cut them out, no fuss at all. Quick 5 minutes and you're done. And this is even better adding Canva into it as well. So this comes with a sticky mat, and I made sure that this was pressed down exactly the way that I wanted it before we push it through. The blade is on a much deeper cut just because it's going through a lot of layers. So the Brother Scan and Cut 2, it scans in color, and then it prints it out fully for you. So right now it's scanning the entire image of what it's cutting, which is awesome. It's better than the regular Brother Scan and Cut because it does it in color, not just black and white. Okay, so now that it's scanned the whole thing, we're going to frame exactly what we want it to cut, just so it has more of a focus. Okay, and then we can see that it has all the giraffes nicely cut on here. And some of it looks like it might be a little bit, they might not come out exactly the way we want it. So you can close up on this and just see what it's going to cut out. Most of them look good, except for, like this one looks like it's going to cut out the shapes of him. So what we can do is we can change the outline difference just so it's giving it a little bit more room, and even if we don't like this, we can rescan it and see if it'll come up with something different. But most of the giraffes look okay, so I think I'm going to go for it. Okay, so here we are back at my desk, and you can see all of these adorable stickers that I was able to create using that Canva for Work that I just showed you, printing them on the Avery Shipping Labels, and then using my Brother Scan and Cut 2 to cut them out. So I am going to leave you with this. I wanted to show you Canva. I wanted to show you how to use the Brother Scan and Cut 2. And I'm going to have a follow-up video that shows what I did for the plan with me for my monthly spread and also for my weekly spread. But I wanted to give you a little bonus content of how to use Canva for Work and how to use the Brother Scan and Cut 2 to help you plan with more fun stickers and little fun things that you can add. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear how you're using Canva. Make sure to check out the Canva free version. There is a free version, so don't think that you have to pay for it. But it just doesn't have the kinds of images and layouts that you may be looking for that the paid version does. So stay tuned for the plan with me, where I will be showing you how all of these stickers with the Happy Planner stickers turn out. Check out my links down below, my affiliate links over to Amazon to check out the Brother Scan and Cut 2 and the Avery Shipping Labels that I use to make these sticker products. Thanks for watching. For now, keep planning, planners. See you soon. Bye.